B13. Discuss on Java Web Server. Server is a device or a computer program that accepts and responds to the requests made by the other program known as client. It is used to manage the network resources and for running the program or software that provides services. There are the two types of server, web server and application server. Web server contain only the web or servlet container. It can be used for servlet, Java server page, stubs and Java server phases and so on. It cannot be used for EJB, Enterprise Java Bean. It is a computer where the web content can be used to store. In general, the web server can be used to host the website, but there can be used to handle some other web servers such as file transfer protocol, email storage, gaming, etc. The example of web server is Apache Tomcat and Resin. The web server working, it can respond to the client request in either following two possible ways. Generate response by using the script communicating with database. Sending file to the client associated with requested unified resource locator. The block diagram representations of the web server. If the requested web page, the client side is not found, the web server will send HTTP Hypertext Transfer Protocol response, the error not found. When the web server searching the requested page, if the requested page is found, then it will send to the client with HTTP request. Next, if the client responds some other resources, this web server will contact to the application server and stored for constructing the hypertext transfer protocol responses. The application server contain the web and enterprise Java Bean container. It can be used for servlet Java server page stuff and Java server phases and so on. It is a component based product in the middle tier of the server centric architecture. It provides the middleware services for the state maintenance and security along with the persistence and data access. It is a type of server designed to install, operate and host associated services and application for the IT services, end user and organization. The block diagram representations of the application server. Application server. The example for the application server is JBoss, open source server from JBoss community. Next, Glassfish provided by the Sun Microsystems acquired by Oracle. WebLogic provided by Oracle. Atmos Secure. WebSphere provided by International Business Machine. 14. Write about HTML to servlet communication. The web resources application is a combination of static as well as dynamic web resources program examples. The static web resources reside in server executed the client-side web server. Example HTML. A dynamic web resources program provides server executed the contents of the server, give response back to the client. Example servlets JSP Java server page. In web application, the static web resources data from client side and take to the dynamic web resources as per request. The dynamic web resources the data and send requests back to the client in form of responses. In HTML servlet communication, when open the browser window, the browser page is empty. First, we have to enter the HTML reside in the server. After the HTML page is loaded from server into the client browser, the client will be able to enter the data in HTML form. After submission, the data request is generated to the dynamic web resources. Hence, we generate the request of the server twice in order to get the HTML to servlet communication. So far, we have to request a servlet program from the browser window, typing the request URL in browser window. In the process, we have to send the data request and add the query string into the request. The uniform resources locator can be done by technical people. The non-technical end user like engineers, chemical engineers, they do not need the graphical user interface request with or without data. For this purpose, we can use a HTML form page or hyperlink generals with or without data. Get method. The get method send the encoded user information appended to the page request. The request of the page encoded information separated as a given follows. The get method is a default method to pass the information from the browser into the web server and it produces a long string that appear in the browser location. The get method we have the password and other sensitive information to pass the server. The get method size limitation 1024 characters can be used in the request string. The information is used and passing this query string header and can be accessible to the query string environment variable, and servlets handle this type of request using do get method. Post method. Generally, the post method, the packages of the information is exactly get method, but instead of sending the text string after this, send a separate message. This message to the backend to the program form of standard input to have to parse and use to processing the servlet handler this type of request using the do post method. Reading from data using servlets. The following steps are defined in this request get parameter. You can call the request get parameter method. Get the value from parameter. Get parameter value. Call this method. The parameter appear more than once and return the multiple values. Say example checkbox. Get parameter name. Call this method. We want to compile list of all parameters in current request. Get method using URL uniform resource locator. The simple URL to pass the values allow program using the get method. Given below the allow program, we have to handle give the input to the web browser, and we can use get the parameter method easy to access the passed information. Get method example using the form. The simple example which passes a to value in HTML form and submit button. The structure and the example of this servlets HTML add form action equal to allow form method. Method is get. The first name, the input type text name. First name is we type the first name when we use a break tag. Next, last name. The input type is the text. We have typed the name, last name. The input type is a submit button. The value is submit. Next, we have to close the form tag and body tag and HTML tag. Keep this HTML form allo.html file name, the Tomcat installation, the directory. We have to access this type of program. 15. Discuss on the Java Bean development kit. Java Beans are a reusable software components written in Java. These components may built in application using the appropriate building environment. The Bean development kit that's called BDK from Sun include the simple example of building environment uses a bean called beanbox and some sample example. The beanbox start and load the bean from the jar file. Jar means Java archive file in BDK. BDK means Bean Development Kit directory. We can display the windows on the screen. The toolbox which is a list of all bean. The bean box has found. The bean box use a canvas will drop the beans and connect them together. The property sheet it can be used for properties in the current bean. The method tracer is a simple debugging facility. Adding the bean to the canvas. We have to adding the bean canvas. First the bean name or icon the toolbox window. Then click the location of the bean box canvas. The new bean will appear. The bean box canvas, the current selected bean only. Hatched border around the bean and the properties in the property sheet. The property sheet can be edited by typing the new values or the special editor. Example for colors. In this diagram, we added the two explicit button bean and the juggler bean to the canvas. Click them the left hand bean labeled press. This bean becomes the current selected bean. In this property sheet, change the name of this label from press to stop. The name of the selected button to change press on the return key. Then wiring up events. We can connect the events from the selected bean to another bean. The wired up the stop button to stop the juggler. Select the stop button and choose edit events button push action performed. Now we have to move the mouse. The red line attached to the stop button moves to the mouse and to the juggler bean and click the mouse button. The new event tag target dialog window which is available the events appear. The scroll down change choose the stop. Click on the OK. The action perform event. The stop button will cause the stop juggling method of the juggler to be called. In this happen, the beanbox generates the adapter code, compiles and load it automatically. So click the stop button. Now stop the juggler. We can similarly use the start button to restart the juggler. Choose the press button, other press button to the canvas. Rename it start. Choose edit events button. Push action perform from select start juggling from the event target dialog window. 16. Write about the Perl control structure. There can be the situation we have need to execute the block of code several number of times. In general, the statements are executed sequentially. The first statement is the function executed first, followed by the second, and so on. The programming languages provide various control structures more complicated and execution pull. The loop statement allows to execute the statement or the group of statement multiple times. The general form of the loop statement in the programming languages. The Perl programming languages handle the following requirements. While loop. Repeat the statement or group of statement. The given condition is true. Test the condition before executing the loop body. Until loop. Repeat the statements or the group of statement until the given condition become true. It tests the condition before executing the loop body. For loop, execute the sequence of statement the multiple times and abbreviation that code that manage the loop variable. For each loop, iterate over the normal list value and test the variable where to be each element's list in turn. Do while loop like a while statement except if the test condition at the end of the loop body. Nested loop, we can use one or more loop inside the another while for or do while loop. Loop control statement. Loop control statement change the execution from the normal sequences. When execution leaves the scope, all automatic objects created the scope are destroyed. It supports the following control statement. Next statement that causes the loop to skip the remainder of the body and immediately retest if the condition appear in reiterating. Last element. Last element terminate the loop and transfer the execution to the statement immediately the following loop. Continue statement. The continue block is always executed before just before the conditional is about to the evaluated again. Redo statement. The redo command restart the loop block while without evaluating the conditional again. This continue block, if any, it's not executed. Go to statement. The Perl support to go to command. The three forms: go to label, go to expression, and go to and name. 17. Write about the entity bean. The entity bean is a server-side class that represents the object underlying the where the data is stored. We can think the entity bean representations of the database table and each instance of the entity bean the single row of the table. The entity beans can also represent the complex relationship among the one or more related tables like SAP, PeopleSoft, or the Lotus Notes is example for this data storing. The Silverstream version 3.0 manage the persistent. Persistent means storing the data underlying the data stored relational in the database. Entity bean access deployed in the Silverstream server. It can be accessed Silverstream form pages or business object external Java application and other enterprise Java bean. The entity bean deployed on the Silverstream other enterprise Java bean. Entity bean running on the server can locate and call other entity bean or session bean same or different Silverstream server. The external data sources such as a relational database using Java database connectivity. A Silverstream is a Ego data object. The other silver stream server like database and session. The entity bean components. The entity bean components include the following components. The entity bean components, the Java class implement the packages. This packages is Java x.ejp.entity bean interfaces. It has a member variable representing the field of the underlying data store. This field is known as a persistent field. The beans are also include any business logic to perform the field. Example, data validations or aggregation. Primary key class, a Java class that implement the serializable interfaces and the equals of the hash code method like any primary key. The primary key means avoiding the duplicate keys. It also includes the member variable representing the function that make up underlying the data stored in the primary key. Home interfaces, the Java interfaces that extend the Java x.ejp.ejb means enterprise Java beans home interfaces. The home interfaces include the bean life cycle method like create and remove. It can also finder method. The finder method are also obtained the specific bean enumerations and collection of bean. Finders are also similar to the structured query language. The select statement, the simple example of the finder method include finally, namely, finally EDI and find large accounts. At the deployment time, the container generate the class that implement that home interfaces, remote interfaces, the Java interfaces that extend the Java x.ejb.ejb object interfaces. The remote interfaces export the bean public method, the entity bean client. The deployment time, the container generate the class that implement these interfaces. The Java x.ejb entity bean interfaces. The various methods and the description. EJB activate. It can be used for containing to manage the bean instances. EJB activate it used for this description. EJB load and EJB stored is used to synchronize the data in entity bean persistent field stored in the data stored. The implementation method of the persistence model. Set entity and the unset entity contents. It used to pass the information to the entity bean from the container. The EJB remove, it used to delete the record from the underlying the data store. The entity bean persistent model. The entity bean persistent model, since the entity bean representations of underlying the data store, the data containing the entity instances must be synchronized. The data in the row that represent the process of synchronization known as persistence. What are the persistence are included in databases related this? Creating the database record, deleting the database record and modifying the existing record. What are the steps including the following tasks? The entity bean representation, finding the appropriate record, the requested from the client. Next, constructing the bean to be found record and loading the record to the new bean instances member variable, updating the each record corresponding bean modified, removing the record when the bean is removed. This mechanism provide the resistance explicitly programmed. This known as bean managed persistent. The mechanism is used to provide the persistent implicit or declarative known as container managed persistence. The method or that manage the persistence, various methods in persistent management. EJB load function get the data from the database bean persistent field. EJB store put the data from the bean persistent field into the database. 18. How to compile the implementations of the class and create the stub and skeleton object using the RMI tools. RMI is a remote method invocations. Remote method invocations, understanding the stub skeleton requirement, the distributed application. Steps to write the RMI program and the RMI example. The RMI is API provide the mechanism to create distributed application in Java. It allows invoke the methods or objects running another JVM, another Java virtual machine. The RMI provide the remote communication between the application using two objects, stub and skeleton. The stub is the object, it acts as a gateway client side. All outgoing requests are routed through it. It resides the client side and represent the remote object. When the caller invoke the method on the stub object, the following step task. It initiates the connection with the JVM, Java virtual machine. It writes and transmits the parameters to the remote virtual machine. It wait for the result. It read the return values or exception or it return finally values to the caller. Skeleton. The skeleton is the object act as a gateway from server-side object. All incoming requests routed through it. The skeleton receive the incoming request. It does the following task. First, it read the parameter for the remote method. It invoke the method for actual remote objects and in retry transmit result to the caller through the internet. 19. Discuss on the expression tag. The Java server page expression tag print the result of the program. When we write the program inside expression tag, the response printed the output stream. So we need the write.out.print. The JSP expression tag mainly used for printing values, variables and method. The JSP expression transform code to the expression statement that convert the value, the form of the string object, insert into the implicit output object. Syntax வந்து percentage equal to statement percentage. Example, the following is the best and simple example of JSP expression to print the username in this expression tag. HTML tag, body tag, form action is welcome welcome xp.jsp. Input type equal to text, name equal to username, break. We using break tag. Then we use the input tag submit, the value go. Submit button, the value is go. Then close the form tag and close the body tag and close the HTML tag. The developer created the text boxes to enter the username. Create the submit button, that is go. Go. HTML body tag welcome to request dot get parameter username. Close the body tag, close the HTML tag. The request.get parameter method is used to retrieve the data. The expression of JSP result accessing the expressions change the over string and straightforward while the page. Normally the expression utilize the straightforward estimations variable or return the values to the method. The JSP expressions start inside the label and exclude the semicolon. The scriptlets contain number of articulations, variables or method declaration. The expressions are substantial in the page scripting dialect inside the scriptlet tag. One can proclaim the variables or strategies to utilize the record and compose the expression eliminated in this page scripting language. The expression is used in the Java request processes. The JSP Java server page expression tag is mainly used for printing the values of variables and method. Thank you.